in the name of God. If you have problems, channel your problems appropriately. Yeah, this is our coach, the emergency. You beat him, but don't come and begin to use your young boys to stop the road. You your young girls to stop the road. Then that will make me to come by force. Nobody threatens me. Nobody does what? Threatens me. Don't do it. Don't do it. If you want me to do something for you, you must channel it in a way and must be sympathetic. Do you understand me? But if you bring force, threat, I will equally match you with force and threat. So don't even use that. So don't lose the opportunity you have. Don't bring politics in the development of a place. If you bring politics, you will suffer it. If I come here and this thing continues, I will do everything I can to fight back. If you belong to one party, it doesn't matter. After most of you who belong to the other party, you didn't get this road. Did you get this road?
No, sir.
Then we have come now to open you for you to be a city. You want to send the community backward, you will not walk. It will not So support us to do what we are doing. Whatever remedial work we can do, we'll go and do it. But what I will not take is force or threat. If you consider that way, it will never work. And I don't want us to fight. Do you understand me? I don't want us to fight.